Hello, this is Victor Jaramillo. Today's date is the 3 of 2/2/21. Excuse me. And today I'm going to do the Ethernet cable. Mine's a Cat 5. And sorry that I missed some steps. Well, I didn't actually miss them. My camera literally just messed up and had to record again. The part where I had to use this, make it a circle, take out some stuff, and pull it out. And as you can see, there's these color cables. Now, what we want to do is just pull them out one by one. Won't matter if they're even or uneven, it's fine for now. If they're like mine, or only two are uneven and the rest of them are not, all of this right here, then what we're going to do is that this thing has this Sharps claws right here. Do is just chop them off. Oh, you cannot see me. Whoops. What we want to do is we're gonna chop these things off. There we go. And too small. Yikes. And we're going to separate each and every single one of them. Now, if you did this how I did it, which is just too small, well, you have to do this again. Well, I did not show this anyways in the camera, so here we go. And then just put inside. See the blade right here? The blade, put it inside. Spin it three, 4 times. Not too much, because you're gonna cut the wires in here. You're gonna cut the wires, and here's, you're gonna pull this thing out. See? Now you're going to see the cables that they are colored, and this is important because we're going to put them in an order for them to the Ethernet cable to work. Now, for now, just separate them so that we can go together. Make sure that they're straight enough. Here we go. Ooh. Stop there. There we go. Okay, now that they're straight enough, we're going to separate them in a color pattern. I haven't memorized it very well, but I'm gonna try. If I would messed it up, I'll look at my booklet right here. I have a booklet right here, a guide, to see how the orders work, the colors. So first it is orange white. Find orange white and put it at the very end, right here. Now we're gonna look for orange. Okay, there we go. Orange, see? White, orange, and orange. Now, we're going to find white green. So you separate them, put them like this, white green. Now the white green is with the oranges. We're gonna separate green for now, as I'm pretty sure it's gonna be the third to last. Not sure. I need to check my booklet. Yes, it is. Now the next is going to be blue, just pure blue. I always make the mistake where people say blue and they don't finish the sentence because I always mess it up. And I put white blue. No, don't put white blue. Put just pure blue next to the white green. Swear to God, I separate this. There we go. No. Together. Now, we have 4 colors right here. Ignore this ones. Ignore them for now. We have these 3 colors right here. Not in the right order. There we go. Now they're in the right order. White, orange, white, green, and then blue. Now the next color is gonna be blue, white. Put them next to white. Put them next to blue. Like this. Now the next one's gonna be green. The next one's gonna be white, brown, and then the last. Oh no. My brown. The last color is gonna be brown, but my brown is messed up. I hope it still works though. I hope it still works. Okay, so this is the color pattern it should be. White, orange, white, green, blue, white, blue, green, white, brown, and brown. Which is a really simple pattern if I'm gonna be honest with you. It's just that the greens should be a part of each other. It's white, green should be next to the orange and next to the blue. Blue should go together, and then the green at the sixth cable. That's where the other green is. With the brown, white, and the last color will be the brown. Now, I'll be using this right here. I like how they look. And you're going to insert it like this. You're going to insert it like this and make sure that you have them in the pattern for them to work properly. Make sure that you look right here that you see that they're going in the pattern in the order that you order them, in order for them to connect to the router and to the laptop or computer desktop to communicate to each other and for you to get internet access. Another thing to make sure of is I cut this one for training, and you see, well, I don't know if you can see it, but you can see that the cables reach all the way to the end, and you can see that there's those brown, no, you can't see them, but there's like brown things inside the cables. And you want to see them. You want to see them in the very end. And for mine, I don't know if you can see them, but it is right there at the very end. And you want to push them as hard as possible in order for it to reach that part. Just double checking. No. Mine, gray, my brown literally went not in the right order that I wanted to go. Why I keep going there? No, the orange is the wrong place. Come on, brown, be the last one. There we go. There we go. Okay, now we have it. Now we have the right color order for this to work. Use some of this and plug it in Put it in and squeeze. Really hard to see that these things have a little lock right here. A little lock right here, and that's what the this tool is for them to squish it in. And once you squish it in, it can't come off. Like once you squish it in, you can literally pull it as hard as you can. It just won't come off. This is why you need to find it. Here we go. You need one of these. You need one of these in order for you to like chop it off. And if you messed up, you have to start all over again. This is how it looks. I wish I could test it, but right now I need to do the other side. It looks again the cable going around, and I got some scissors to chop it off. Do it again. Pull it out. Ooh. And we do the same. You just uncrawl them. Uncrawl them? Is that even a word? You're just gonna untie them. And now you going to put them on an order that they should be. Remember the colors? Orange, white, orange, green, white, blue, blue, white, green, brown, white, and brown. I don't remember. That's why I have a booklet. But I should remember. This is gonna be my job one day. Alright, so I'm gonna do this with the booklet. Put the booklet away. So white, orange, green. No, it's not green. It's blue. White, blue. White, blue. What's over there? White, blue. Can't memorize it. Orange, white, green. I already know I freaking messed it up already. No. White, green. Then the blues coming around. Then the blues. Come on. There we go. Then the blues. No. Blue, white. Blue. And then blue, white. Then it's the green. And then the last two colors are pretty much the same, which is white, brown, and brown. And there we go. As the order should be. Now, again, put them inside. Okay, put you more together now. Oh, why are you going there, Orange? Orange wants to be the first one now. Here my. But we don't want orange to be the first one. We want white orange to be the first one. Whoops. Okay, there we go. Okay. Let me double check here. Then orange. Blue. Yeah, it's blue there. What the? Where's my green? Uh-oh. Looks like white, green, and white. No, blue and green are having a fight here. Uh-oh. Okay, there we go. See if this fixes it. It should be blue-white. White screen there. There we go. Order. In place. Orange. Where orange? Orange. One sec. Okay. Okay, now that I finally have it, I didn't do anything other than put them in order because they're having a fight the entire time. Use your same item. Put it inside. Whoops. And again, squeeze for to have the luck inside. Pull it to make sure you have it well placed. Good. I hope you double checked it. I forgot to tell you to double check before you clip it. Whoops. I'm sorry. Now, I don't have, well, I do have it. I do have the tester here. Unfortunately, I brought the wrong batteries. This thing uses other type of batteries. The one with the, looks like a goddamn small brick. So I'll try to test it with my PC. Come with me. And fall over. Of course. Now, how I am going to test this is by using the router here and using my PC to see if I get internet access. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to disconnect. One sec. I'm going to disconnect the one that gives me the internet access. Come on. Connect the cable that we made. Clip it. Works. And connect this cable behind. Okay. I don't know if you can see it. Actually. 1 second. I need lighting here. Light. Here we go. Hope you can see it. And I'm going to connect the Ethernet cable into the motherboard. Ooh. Lights. We have the LEDs turn on that side, and we had the LEDs on that side, and we have, if I could just internet access with my Spectrum Wi-Fi, and that's the one we have. That's the one we need. Right there. Anyways, thank you for watching. See you guys later.